Well, I've just ridden to the Spirit of Tasmania. Got a beautiful sunrise in, and about to board to make my way over to Devonport for that last little push down to Hobart. But yeah, just want to do a little video, and massive thanks to the guys here at Spirit of Tasmania. They've donated my trip over, so it hasn't cost me any money, and of course keeps my costs down to zero, and all the money that we're raising is going towards mental health research and programs. But yeah, this is the new terminal here in Geelong. It's quite beautiful. Fantastic morning. A little ride from Geelong to here also was unreal. So I'm really looking forward to getting on board. It's not my first time, of course, on the Spirit. I've been backwards and forwards many times down to home. So, but yeah, really getting on board. I've got myself a little cabin and can rest the legs before the final push. So we'll see you in Devonport. Yow.